For centuries we have believed that the Earth is the only planet in this universe where life is possible, but the progress made in science in the last few years has changed our perception that today's scientists believe that there are many such things in this universe before there may be planets where life is flourishing. That is why efforts to find other planets like our Earth are increasing day by day. What if I say that in this universe it is not the Earth itself but the Earth itself? There are many models in which this city, this sea, this animal, and even yours also exists. Yes, this is the theory. In this episode of Parallel Universe, in today's episode, we will know what is Parallel Universe and what is behind this theory. Scientific reason. Hello friends, welcome. In today's episode, let us know that Parallel Universe of knowledgeable Parallel Universe. The universe we know is called universe, in which the word uni means one. For us, our universe, only the larger the distance the light comes from we have detected. But is our universe really that big? This question gave birth to the multiverse theory, according to which our universe is not only a Brahman, but there are many such parallel universe. But this parallel universe is finally where the answer to this question to give scientists. It is divided into 4 levels. Before knowing about these labels, we understand what is the parallel universe of parallel universe. According to parallel universe theory, every object in this universe, every organism and every situation is present in some kind of parallel universe. Every possibility of your life which could have become a reality is happening in some parallel universe right now. You have seen this video in another parallel universe and in some other parallel universe. You don't even know about this video, or in another parallel universe you are still living in the forest, or maybe you have not been born. That is, every possibility is happening in some parallel universe. Your decision determines your future. Your life starts to run according to the decision you make. Remember, as an example, at that time when you were more interested in sports than studies, you had 2 options at that time. You said in job or sports. You chose a job while you could also make a career in sports. That is why you are working today. And this is for you is true while playing in your counterpart in another parallel universe. You must have chosen a career in people, so the same is true for him. Now that you have understood the parallel universe to a great extent, the next question arises whether this theory is just a fantasy or it has a scientific basis. Although the theory may sound like a Hollywood film, it has a knowledge base. Scientists have divided it into 4 labels, with the help of which we can not only understand it, but also guess where it can be a parallel universe. So let's know about these 4. We do not yet know what is the size of space-time. According to one theory, it is flat, and its breadth is infinite. According to a theory, or is flat and its dispersion is infinite. If it is, then the possibility of having many Brahmins cannot be ruled out, and there is also a strong possibility that there are many models of every universe in which our galaxy, our sun, our Earth, and even if we have our own model, it is because every configuration starts repeating itself at some point. To understand this, let's take a simple example. Suppose you have a 2-digit number. If you try to write the digits interchangeably, you will find that after 2 possibilities, the same configuration starts repeating. In the same way, if you try to do the same with a number of 3 digits, then you will get the numbers to repeat again after writing in different ways. This means that no matter how large the configuration is, if the spread of the universe is infinite, then surely our world will be replicated from the universe parallel to the level 1, because we may never be so far away from it. Even light does not reach us with level 2. Level 2, it gave birth to the universe. According to this, there are many universes and all are in one giant bubble. These bubbles either join together or separate, and I give birth to the universe, because every Brahman is in captivity of different bubbles. They have different laws of physics. Because of the infinite universe, here also there is a strong possibility of replicating each other. It is very difficult to connect with the universe parallel to this level, because it is not connected at all. Level 3, the parallel universe of level 3 gave birth to the theory of quantum theory. It is believed that this parallel universe exists in our own world. We cannot see it because it exists in another dimension. It may seem strange to hear that, but many experiments of quantum physics have proved that an electron is in many places at one time. But the Heisenberg uncertainty principle has proved that they exist in many places at one time. When these electrons can behave in this way, then we are also made of them, then we exist in many dimensions at one time. It is not impossible to be. This means that each of your models is making your every possibility come true in this world. You do not even know that every decision of yours sends you to another dimension, and the same life becomes true for you. From the theory of the universe, we can also explain why it is not impossible to travel time in the past. Suppose you travel in time and go to the past and kill yourself there, then the question arises whether you too are alive. The answer to this will be saved. Yes, the one you killed in the past is not you, but you. The pattern is that it will die in that parallel universe. It will not matter to you because you are living life in the second parallel universe. The parallel universe of level 4 level is based on the mathematical democracy principle, and the combined form of the first 3 levels is different according to it. Mathematics can be that it is not necessary that a human being is necessary for the existence of mathematics. Because we do not yet have any concrete evidence that there is parallel universe, there is nothing more than one, but scientists are constantly trying to find out the truth of this. One such effort is called Large Hadron Collider. In this, microparticles are interwoven. With a similar experiment in labs, a particle was detected which carries gravity, which is called graviton. Particles suddenly disappear somewhere, and ever-appearing scientists believe that this particle can tell us about other dimensions. That is, it is quite difficult to generate and monitor them by looking at the speed with which science is progressing. So it seems that we will solve this mystery of parallel universe soon. Why do we dream and what do we see in it? Although there are many answers to this question, but no one is able to answer all our questions in this way. Many people believe that in dreams we see the life of our parallel universe. Please tell us your comments about this. Subscribe channel for videos like and share.